Robinhood or Fidelity, which broker actually helps your money grow faster in 2025? Let's cut through the noise and find out. Hit subscribe because this comparison gets real specific real fast. Robinhood mobile first app launched in 2013, built for simplicity, commission-free trading, clean interface, 11 million active users. Known for making investing accessible. Fidelity financial powerhouse since 1946, manages over $5 trillion in assets. Full-service broker with research tools, retirement planning, and zero expense ratio index funds. Investment options. This is huge. Fidelity offers stocks, ETFs, options, bonds, mutual funds, CDs, and Forex. Robinhood? Stocks, ETFs, options, and 22 cryptocurrencies. If you want bonds or mutual funds for diversification, you need Fidelity. Period. IRA accounts. Game changer alert. Robinhood offers 1% match on IRA contributions, 3% if you subscribe to Robinhood Gold for $5 a month. Fidelity gives you zero match but offers way more IRA account types, including SEP, simple, and rollover options. Fees and costs. Both offer commission-free stock and ETF trading. But here's the kicker. Fidelity has zero expense ratio index funds. That means you pay literally nothing in management fees on funds like FNILX. Robinhood Gold costs $5 monthly for premium features like Level 2 data and lower margin rates at 5%. Research and tools. Not even close. Fidelity has 129 technical indicators, live webinars, downloadable research reports from multiple providers, and can display your trade history on charts. Robinhood has 90 indicators and basic tools, solid for beginners, but limited for serious analysis. Platform experience. Robinhood wins on simplicity. Download the app, fund it, start trading in minutes. Super intuitive. Fidelity's got more complexity because they offer more multiple platforms, including Active Trader Pro for desktop. Steeper learning curve, but way more power. Customer support. Fidelity crushes it 24/7's phone support, live chat, and over 200 physical branch locations. Robinhood, 24/7's chat and callback service, but no direct phone number. If you need hand-holding, Fidelity's your answer. Bottom line, choose Robinhood if you're starting out, want a dead simple app, and value that IRA match. Choose Fidelity if you want professional-grade tools, diverse investment options, zero expense ratio funds, and actual human support when you need it. Which one matches your investing style? Comment below. Smash that like button and check the description for account links. See you next time.